Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, example 24. Let f here y is equal to n squared such that n belongs to capital N is here natural numbers. Okay, consider function f such that natural number to y. Okay, my function f of n here f of x in the place of x here n, therefore f of n is equal to n square, so that the function is invertible. Okay, here I am taking example 24. F of n is equal to n square. Okay, here function such that n is related to y. Okay, here n is nothing but natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers starts from 1 2 up to plus infinity. Okay, here first you have to take given function f of x is equal to y. I am doing in method 2 now. Okay, f of x is equal to, we have to take y in the place of x. Here we having n, therefore f of n is equal to y, therefore y equal to n square, therefore n is equal to root of y. Okay, here it is my g of y is equal to root y. Okay, first I am taking g naught f of n. Okay, here g naught f of n is equal to, first you have to remove the naught. Removing the naught, we have to put the open bracket and closed bracket in the place of f of n, here n square, therefore we have to take here g n square. Okay, here in the place of y, here it is my y, therefore root of n square. Okay, here squared and root cancel each other, therefore here n. Okay, graph of n is equal to in. Here in is nothing but 1 into n, here it is n. Okay, similarly for fog of y, here first you have to remove the knot. Removing the knot, put the open bracket and closed bracket. Okay, here in the place of g of y, here we have to substitute root y. Okay, here again in the place of f of n, here it is my n, therefore here root y the whole square. Okay, here n equal to n square, therefore here root x is equal to root x the whole square, therefore squared and root are cancel each other, therefore it is y. Okay, here fog of y is equal to iy equal to y, therefore here if it is satisfying both, therefore it is invertible function. Okay, here it is invertible का मतलब we want to find the inverse. Inverse is nothing but g of y. G of y is equal to root y. Here it is my inverse function. Okay, inverse is equal to, here g of y is equal to root y. Here it is our inverse. Okay, here method 1 I am solving. Okay, here f of n1 is equal to f of n2. Okay, in the place of n we have to substitute 1. n1 is equal to n1 square, therefore here n1 squared is equal to n2 squared. Okay, here taking root on both sides. Okay, square root on both sides. Root n1 squared is equal to root n2 squared. Therefore squared and root cancel. Therefore n1 is equal to n2. Here it is only applicable for belongs to natural numbers. Okay, here if it is a real number, here it is not equal to. Okay, here natural numbers, therefore n1 is equal to n2. Okay, here it is 1 function. Next, for onto, checking onto, here you have to take f of n is equal to y. Okay, y equal to n square. Next you have to convert in terms of n, therefore n is equal to root y. Okay, now here you have to substitute the term in the place of n. Okay, root y is equal to root y the whole square. Here squared and root are cancelled, therefore f of root y is equal to y. Therefore f of n is equal to y. Therefore here also it is onto function. Whenever the 1 and onto satisfy the both condition, then here it is invertible. Okay, invertible, then you have to find the inverse. Here inverse is nothing but in terms of n we have find. Here this is our inverse. G of y is equal to root y. Okay, see here both are equal. I hope the example 24, the two methods are easy. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyawad.